Say Uji, I see ya. Yo, Taze. Yo, Tony, let's get it, let's go. Yo, Phil, let's keep it real, gon' get it. Pen. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. All of my brothers came out of the gutter. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. All of my brothers came out of the gutter. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. I was hyped when they gave me the call. Got the check, had to hit up the mall. Same time, couldn't storm, cause I had to do it for y'all. When I failed, y'all did it for me. Showed me things that I didn't see. At the top, we all living for free. Came out the gutter, you heard me. 4-5, I know we worthy. Throw it up, flipping the birdie. Dressing clean, came from the dirty. Give each other trust and money. It's like we building insurance. Ran the gutter with ignorance, but it gave us endurance. You go get it, you ambitious, you. Don't you go getting things misconstrued. That's how people get things confused. Living like we ain't got shit to lose. Go and get it, go and pick and choose. People, we don't really get to switch the rules. Push out your thoughts, gotta get it through. Everything became predictable. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. All of my brothers came out of the gutter. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. All of my brothers came out of the gutter. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers.
Yeah. Make something out of myself so that me and my brothers do it big. One time for my young niggas that's still locked up but don't know they bit. Boy, I do anything for my niggas. Down to the juggernaut, pulling of a trigger. Once upon a time, I sorta like we had to give up. Rolling in these streets, no pandas, just gorillas. Now hoes wanna feel us, trying to get in between the thugs. She just want a selfie, showing the team some love. I never shake down to my own niggas. Only if you a rat, you'll ever know, nigga. Treat my brother like my mother's son. Remember he was on the run, so I held it down with some chicken. Told him give me the gun. I found a way to make sure they don't find it, but son, make a chest move next time you stick a shit up. Word.
Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. All of my brothers came out of the gutter. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers. All of my brothers came out of the gutter. Came out the gutter with all of my brothers.
Fuck out of here. Shit. My album is do right, nigga. Cause a million niggas gonna know you. I'm gonna be way more famous than
I'm gonna play a
anybody
beat.
hating.
You just
You feel me?
record
The
this
haters
shit.
gonna have like 400, like 4 fans. I'm gonna have like 4 million. Nobody cares. He said you've been rapping for 100 years. Nobody cares. Niggas be trash, Keith. But then we start doing something, niggas gonna support us. Fuck them.